Hey Libra. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well.
Mercury's in retrograde, okay? So, you know, you got past people coming in. I feel like lessons are getting ready to take place, you know, so just be very careful, be mindful. Now, for others of you guys, I do feel like the person from your past, they definitely want to come back to give you a new love offer, but there could be a child or children in the picture, and this is why they're taking their time trying to give you this love offer. And this is why patience is needed. If it doesn't have anything to do with children, I just feel like this person was being very immature towards you in the past, and now it's like they feel bad for everything that they put you through. And so, yeah, patience is needed because I feel like this person is still going through lessons they're trying to heal, but they're gonna come back towards you. So let's just see, you know, how this plays out. Let's jump in. Alright, Spirit, what messages do you have for my Libra? Bottom of the deck, I have Temperance reverse. What's so interesting, when I was shuffling, I kept seeing this card, and then I kept looking at worth waiting for. So, I'm telling y'all, I feel like your angels are trying to help you and your person come together. Like, this is definitely being divinely guided, divinely orchestrated. So, this is, I'm not surprised to see this card. But because it came out reverse, you know, one, somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Two, I do feel like the person that I've been picking up on knows that they didn't balance things out with you. They didn't do right by you. They know this. So let's see how this plays out. Yeah, see, someone's not happy here. Clarify the sun reverse, please. What tried to jump out is the King of Pentacles. Somebody is not happy because they've been moving slow with you all this time. And see, they're still moving slow because they're not making a move just yet. I'm telling you, I feel like this person, they're still going through their lessons. That's why Spirit is saying patience is needed. Back and forth with the Seven of Wands, see? It's like they're trying to come out of being worried, trying to come out of being frustrated, but they're trying to clear away obstacles before they can come back to basically give you this new love offer. That's why patience is needed. Okay. Look at that. Didn't I tell y'all? Ace of Cups. You're going to get the offer that you deserve. This person's they're going to give you this offer, but see, they're needing to walk away from something first. But I am picking up that they're afraid that you walked away from them for good. Yeah, because they were in a codependent situation. I'm telling y'all, they got to walk away from something or someone that they were tied to. See, there's going to be a shakeup. There's going to be something that happens that's going to force them to walk away from some type of codependent situation that they had themselves in. Tell me more. But see, this person is still moving slow to come towards you. Because, yeah, they know they got to cut things off first. But this person, I feel like they know the truth. You could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Tell me more. Yeah, they know the truth now. You're the person that they want to be with. It's just that they're taking it day by day to come back towards you. This person isn't confused. In the past, I feel like, yes, they were. But they're not confused. But see, this person, they're not talking to you. They're not opening up. They're not telling you that they want to give you this offer here. Tell me more. But they do want things to improve. Maybe they want things to improve financially first before they come back to give you this offer. Let's see. Yeah, because right now they're just afraid that you're not going to take them back. They're afraid that things may not improve between the two of you. And it's like 1 minute they have the strength to approach you, to tell you what it is that they want, but the next minute they don't. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Tell me more. Somebody also could be dealing with a Virgo. But I am seeing here that everything that this person has gone through, everything that you two have gone through with each other, it was a lesson. But this person is thinking about everything that they did, you know, with you, everything that they put themselves, like the situation that they've put themselves in with someone else or family, love interest, whoever it is. And it's just like, they're sitting back, I feel like they're regretting a lot. Because they know they messed up. What are they back and forth with? The Knight of Cups, see? It's like, you're going to get your apology from this person, but at the same time, they're not confident within themselves to give it to you just yet, even though they're trying to have the confidence to come towards you. Tell me more. They're feeling stuck. They're stuck trying to make a decision about how to go about doing this. And they can't sleep. They're worried that they ruin things with you for good. Back and forth with the Knight of Wands. Yeah, this person was definitely a player. This person was in and out of your life. They had this hot and cold type of energy, and I feel like they don't want to play games with you anymore. They want to basically leave all of that behind, but every time they want to say something to you, they just don't. Look, but there's the truth. The truth is going to come out. They're going to speak their truth. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces here. Tell me more. But they're just trying to figure out how exactly to tell you what's been going on. When exactly to tell you, you know? Because they're afraid that you're not going to want a family with them anymore. They feel like they ruined it. So, I'm seeing that they made a decision. What's their decision? Somebody's keeping an eye on y'all. I've been seeing this all day today. They're back and forth with the devil. So, somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn, but I feel like this person was definitely in some type of toxic situation, and they're going to get out of it. At the same time, this person is also in their head, and they're scared, again, that you're not going to take them back. But Spirit is saying they're going to get out of that minds. I can't even talk, y'all. Mercury is messing me up today, okay? It's retrograde, okay? Bear with me. What I'm trying to say is this person is going to get out of their head, and they are going to come back towards you. But see, it's just, I feel like there's a lot of, like, conflict on their end right now, but I also feel like they're battling themselves. Tell me more. There's a lot of conflict. So, that third party situation I'm picking up on that your person was in, I feel like there's some type of arguing going on, or there's just going to be some type of battle, because your person's going to end up walking away from a love interest, a family situation, friend, whatever it is. But at the same time, even though they want to balance things out with you, this person has been giving to somebody else. And it's going to be a problem because they know that they cannot keep giving to this person. So, yeah, there's some conflict here. And they're going to have to figure this out. Especially like if it's a family situation and they have a child or children with them. But see, this is why things weren't balanced between the two of you in the past. Because I feel like your person was always giving to someone else. They were always putting someone else in front of you or before you. But see, now they don't want to do that because they want to have a new beginning with you. But they're afraid that you don't want to have a happy home. But they want to move forward with you. For some of you guys, I'm not going to ignore the fact that I'm seeing 11. But okay. But for some of you guys, I am seeing here that the fact that I have the Four of Wands here reversed with the Chariot, there definitely could be like a home situation taking place where your person could be living with someone, or let's say the love interest is living with your person and they're trying to figure out how to get them out of their house, or, you know, how they're going to leave, right? In order to have this new beginning with you. But this person's going to have to move. Somebody's going to have to basically make a physical move. Tell me more. Could be dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, see? They're freeing themselves. Your person felt stuck in a situation, and now they're trying to get out of it. And I feel like they are, but they're having a hard time. Could be dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with the Scorpio. But I am seeing that this person is definitely making some changes that are much needed. They've been going through an awakening, and that's why I told you, Spirit is saying you have to have patience with this person. Don't wait on them, but patience is needed because they're still working on this individual. Because this person, it's like, the way the Seven of Cups came out, it's like, they're trying to figure out the best option to get themselves out of this mess that they put themselves in. That's why I told y'all they're still going through their karma. This is their karma. They're going through it. Let them, okay? And so, yeah, they're trying to figure this out. And it's like they don't know what to do. But they're working hard on trying to get out of it. But they also know that they have to work hard if they want to have something with you. Because, look, they want a future with you. They do. Tell me more. Yep, and they want to give you an offer, but right now they don't have a peace of mind because I'm telling you, a lot of them are still stuck in some type of situation. They have not freed themselves. But see, they feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around with you because they feel like you're going to go off on them. If you don't know what's going on, they're going to come back and tell you the truth. They feel like you're just going to give it to them. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. And see, this person's having a hard time because they're regretting everything that they put you through. But see, Ace of Pentacles, I'm telling you, you're going to get the offer that you deserve from this person, whoever I'm picking up for. But they're just afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. And that's why they're not being positive. Tell me more. Look, the Empress is reversed. I'm telling y'all that this person is like, man, he or she is done. They don't want to have this new start with me. They don't want to have this new beginning with me because I was being harsh to them. I was being cold to them. But I see that this person wants to rush in to speak their truth to you. You could be dealing with another Libra. Clarify justice, reverse. This could also be someone trying to get out of some type of legal situation, some type of contract. But whatever it is, they feel like you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. And this person has been watching you. They see that you guys have been focusing on yourself. And you're healing and you're moving on. It's like your energy changed. You're like, I'm not worried about him. I'm not worried about her. I'm just going to do me. If there's new love coming into my life, I'm ready for it. And I feel like that's why they want to rush in and speak their truth to you, because they see that you're moving on. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. See what I'm saying? This person knows that they left you out in the cold, and they're hoping that you can forgive them. But see, the Three of Cups fell right on top of worth waiting for. Spirit is saying you're going to be able to celebrate with this person because I feel like you guys are going to come together, but patience is still needed because of a third-party situation. Clarify the Three of Cups, please. Yeah, see, the way this just came out is back and forth with the Seven of Swords. This person was being sneaky with a third party. That's why they're going through their karma. Y'all sit back and relax, okay? Because you manifested justice, okay? This is what's going on. Let them go through their karma. Just let them. Y'all sit back and sip your tea, okay? Put your shades on, grab a Slurpee, get your lawn chair, and enjoy the ride. Like, just watch, okay? Because right now, you're going to get everything that you want, but just focus on you. Don't worry about this. Like, he or she is coming back, but they got to go through this. If you don't want this to ever happen again, that's if you decide to take them back, let them go through this, okay? Because this person is making some much needed changes. Tell me more. Yeah, see, judgment. Somebody's making a decision here, but they feel like you don't want to build with them. Tell me more. See what I'm saying? 2 threes. There was definitely a third party, whether it's a love interest, family, career, friends, whatever. Y'all. But what I like about it, both the threes are reversed, which is letting me know this person is going to, they're going to get rid of whoever has been standing in the way. They don't care. It's like they don't want to lose you. Tell me more. Another 3 just tried to jump out. See what I'm saying? But because of that, they know that they didn't bring balance to the situation, and that's why they're emotional. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Somebody also could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But what I like to see is that the king didn't come out reverse this time, guys. This person does want to speak their truth to you. They do. Because right now they're emotional. They're sad. Look, they want to have this new opportunity with you. They want to give you a stable offer. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here. But they're in their head because they feel like they lost you for good. Yep. Because they didn't do right by you. They didn't balance things out with you. Could be dealing with a Gemini. But I feel like they're just trying to come out of this energy of being sad. And some of them did take some type of financial loss. If they know that they're going to take a financial loss, they're just trying to get themselves prepared for or recover from, going through this loss. Yeah, so it's like, even though they're trying not to be worried, they know that they stabbed you in the back multiple times. And they have to come and speak their truth in order for, you to accept this offer that I'm seeing that they're going to give you. But see, Spirit is saying, ooh, yeah, they're holding on to hope that you're going to take them back. They're hoping that you will. Could be dealing with an Aquarius here, but see, right now they're not taking the leap because there is somebody still interfering. Y'all know how I feel. Queen of Wands, reverse love reading. That's someone's mom. If it's not a mother figure, this is, could be the love interest, fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. See, there's 2 women. See what I'm saying? There's 2 women here.